above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth. There's no way to measure what's your worth. Crucified and laid behind a stone, you lived to die, rejected and alone, like a rose that's trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all. Oh yes, above me. You thought about me, Lord. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth. And there's no way to measure what's your worth. Rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall, thought of me above all. Yes, Lord, you think so much about me. Your thoughts are higher than my thoughts. Your ways are higher than my ways. Your love is greater than all the love. Yes, Lord, thank you for loving me. Thank you for saving me. Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth. There's no way to measure what you're worth. Crucified and laid behind a stone, you lived to die, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all. Crucified, oh, crucified, you laid behind a stone, you lived to die, fall and thought of me, and above all, and like a rose trampled on the ground, you took the fall and thought of me above all. You were beaten, you were bruised, you were broken, just for one reason. It's all because of love. You came down from heaven to earth. I'll praise your name.